Fran Johnson has 32 years of experience in real estate in the Triad. She engages continuously in real estate education to serve clients with the best of old and new strategies. When you need to buy or sell, Fran has the plan. This all-on-one-level home with a full unfinished basement sits on 5+ acres close into all Triad cities. The plumbing was all replaced in 2002 and there are replacement windows too. The exterior is brick and cementitious siding. It's a rare find for $299,900. Make your move right now.